In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your camera in a PowerPoint presentation. This feature can be incredibly handy for making your presentations more engaging and personal, especially when you want to communicate directly with your audience through visuals. So let's dive in and see how you can incorporate your live camera feed directly into PowerPoint. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. It's essential to ensure that you have the latest version of PowerPoint installed, as some features may not be available in older versions. Once it's open, head over to your PowerPoint presentation. You don't need to start a new presentation for this, just open the one where you'd like to add a personal touch with your camera. Next, we're going to navigate to the Record tab. This tab is packed with features that help make presentations more dynamic and interactive. If you can't see this tab immediately, it might be because your version of PowerPoint has it tucked away, so scan the top ribbon closely to locate it. Now this is where the magic happens. Under the Record tab, you'll see an option labeled Cameo. Go ahead and click on that. The Cameo feature is what allows you to add your camera feed to your slides. It's an excellent way to virtually place yourself within your presentation, giving it an authentic, personal touch. With the Cameo feature activated, it's time to turn on your camera. Ensure that your camera is connected and functioning correctly. It's always a good idea to test it out first. You might want to check your camera settings to make sure that the video quality is up to your standards and that your background is something you're comfortable sharing. Turning on your camera will embed your live feed directly into the slide, so you become part of the presentation. Remember, being on camera isn't just about turning on the device, it's about engaging with your audience. Make eye contact with the camera lens, speak clearly, and maintain a steady pace when you're presenting. This approach will help you connect better with your viewers, creating a more interactive and memorable experience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to incorporate your camera into a PowerPoint presentation. By following these steps, you can transform a simple slideshow into an engaging presentation with a personal touch. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your next PowerPoint presentation. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this.